Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by launching a modern web browser and making sure your internet is active. Once the browser opens, go to the address bar and type Drive. Google.com. This takes you directly to Google Drive's web app. If you prefer an app, open the backup and sync or Drive for desktop installer you already downloaded. Otherwise, proceed in browser. Make sure you're using an up-to-date browser so Drive loads correctly. Enter your Google account credentials when prompted to sign in and continue to the next step. Once signed in, you'll see the Drive interface with My Drive, Shared with Me, and Recent sections. Use the search bar at the top to quickly locate files by name or owner. This avoids manual folder digging. To add files, click New and choose File Upload or Folder Upload, or drag and drop from your File Explorer into the browser. Drive uploads in the background. If you need offline access, enable offline in settings so selected files are available without internet. Navigate folders by double-clicking to open them. To finish, organize files into folders, set sharing permissions, or download copies as needed. Right-click any item for these options. If you installed Drive for desktop, confirm the sync icon shows up to date. In the web UI, watch the upload progress indicator. If something goes wrong, sign out and sign back in, clear your browser cache, or open an incognito window to rule out extensions. And if uploads stall, check your Wi-Fi or pause large transfers so smaller files can complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.